Hi everyone, Pinay Kelly here. Annyeonghaseyo. Today I'm going to show you how to start Imerflex Dual Induction Cooker or IDX 3210. Ipa-plug in lang po natin siya. It's almost the same on the other burner. And this is how it goes. I-on lang po natin. Oh, it will not going to start until wala pong pot or pan na nandyan. Induction pan lang din po ang gagamitin natin. So, we're going to put on up and down. I'm going to show you a trick para mapabilis. Pipindutin lang natin tong function na may hands na ganyan. Tapos, ipapababa natin kasi it will going to maximize your fire or yung heat. Push up the arrow if you want to make it strong the fire and go down if you want to lower it. Be sure na babantayan nyo so that it will not burn your pan at saka yung lulutuin nyo. By the way guys, available itong ganitong induction burner na single. Maganda ang model at swak sa budget.